Hey everyone! The 2025 ROG Strix SCAR 18 and the Razer Blade 16 2025 represent two very different philosophies in the high-end gaming laptop space. While both target power users and gamers demanding top-tier performance, their design, screen technology, hardware configurations, battery management, and user experience diverge in meaningful ways. Here's how they compare across core categories. Design is the most visually and practically distinguishable element between these two machines. The SCAR 18 embraces a bold, unapologetic gamer aesthetic, with aggressive RGB accents, transparent WASD keys, and a massive chassis built for performance. It announces itself as a desktop replacement. It's heavier at 3.2 kilograms and best suited for a stationary setup. Meanwhile, the Razer Blade 16 continues Razer's minimalist, premium approach. Its CNC machined aluminum chassis is more compact, sleeker, and significantly more portable, albeit at the cost of slightly more challenging internal access and less aggressive cooling. Razer wins on elegance and portability. Asus wins on accessibility and upgradability. The screen technology in both laptops is cutting edge, but each caters to slightly different use cases. The SCAR 18 features an 18-inch mini LED display at 2560 by 1600 with a 240 Hz refresh rate, full DCI-P3 coverage, G-Sync support, Dolby Vision HDR, and Pantone validation. It's ideal for fast-paced gaming and color-critical creative work. The Razer Blade 16, however, pushes the envelope with its dual-mode mini LED panel that can switch between 4K 120 Hz for creative professionals and 1080p 240 Hz for competitive gamers. This flexibility makes Razer's display more versatile for users who toggle between content creation and esports style play. On the hardware front, both laptops offer top-tier components. The SCAR 18 is powered by Intel's Core Ultra 9 275HX and up to an RTX 5090 GPU, with 32 GB of DDR5 memory and a RAID 04 TB SSD array. The version equipped with the RTX 5080 provides a sweet spot between performance and thermals, offering phenomenal gaming and productivity performance bolstered by DLSS 4-frame generation technologies. In games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Hogwarts Legacy show frame rate boosts from the 40s to well over 130 FPS. The Razer Blade 16 similarly packs Intel's top-tier CPUs and RTX 5090 options, but typically pairs them with slightly more conservative power limits to maintain thermal efficiency in a thinner chassis. In raw benchmark numbers, Asus's more robust cooling and wattage advantage allows it to outperform Razer in sustained workloads and peak gaming performance. Battery life is a nuanced battle. The SCAR 18 includes a 90 watt-hour battery and can surprisingly deliver up to 7 hours in light-use scenarios like browsing, though under gaming loads it drops to about 1.5 to 2 hours. The Razer Blade 16 also features a similar battery capacity, but focuses more on efficiency and noise reduction. In typical use, Razer delivers slightly longer battery life, hovering around 8 hours in light tasks, and remains quieter even during moderate loads. For anyone needing quiet productivity on the go, Razer offers a better untethered experience. Looking at overall pros and cons, the SCAR 18 excels in performance, upgradability, and advanced DLSS 4 capabilities, making it a dream machine for hardcore gamers and content creators. The toolless design is a real winner for maintenance and customization, and the thermal design ensures sustained performance even under stress. However, it's bulky, loud in turbo mode, and not suited for travel or competitive gaming due to frame-gen latency. The Razer Blade 16, on the other hand, strikes a balance between power and portability. It's more stylish, more compact, and uniquely versatile with its dual-mode display. Yet, it slightly lags behind the SCAR 18 in raw power, upgrade accessibility, and sustained thermal headroom. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new comparison? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and see you soon.